Guys, I wanted to show you this Apple Watch band that the company sent me. I really like this because if you're looking to pick up an Apple Watch band for yourself or somebody else, this one fits all sizes. So I think that's cool because then, you know, like you could get one and then it doesn't fit the right size. I've been wearing it a lot comparative to like my more expensive band that I typically wear. I tried this on, I wanted to give it a go for a little while, and now this has been the one that I keep on. It doesn't irritate my skin, which is something I do look for. Sometimes the rubber on them can. This one does not. It's really soft. I like that it has the buckle. It feels like really secure and it adjusts. I have a small wrist. My husband has a larger one and they fit both. So it definitely can fit like all different sizes and all different watches. So it comes in tons of colors, which I also really like. So you could get one, you know, that you like for the color. I like how simple the black is personally with the silver of my watch. It goes on just like really easy and I haven't had any problems with it. It like the watch itself, the watch face is really secure in there and it was super easy to do. It took me like 2 seconds to put on. Like my kids could do it, no question. I also play sports. I play tennis and this is the band that I'm using now for when I play tennis. And it's nice for like if I sweat or anything, it feels good. So really happy with this. Definitely recommend it if you're looking for an Apple Watch band. Pick this one up.